for one movie called Akada, sir. I did as a villain's son, sir. That time I was staying in Madikeri, I think so. Madikeri or Mattikere? Mattikere. Because we shot in both Madikeri and Mattikere, so I have confusion. That time, sir, no, it was a great experience. First of all, I don't know the language, okay. So I was preparing my language for 3 months, my dialogues. 3 months, still I remember the dialogue, okay.
Kannada dialogues.
Kannada dialogue, still I remember. Because, sir, the dialogue is very bad. It is. Actually, in that scene, sir, my sister ran away with the hero. Say, ಆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂಬಡ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಇನ್ನಸೆಂಟು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿ ಉಳಿಕೆ ಬರಲಿಟ್ರೆ ಚಿಪ್ಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಕತ್ತೆ ಮುಂಡೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪೀಸ್ ಪೀಸಾಗಿ ಕತ್ತಸಾಗಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.